Ophelia, what are you doing? Are you heading out on a trip?
I love you. You can't continue.
Can't do what? What are you talking about?
We've been in this relationship. We've been struggling to pay our bills and to put food on our table.
Ophelia, I'm trying my best. And I know everything is gonna be okay. It's just a matter of time.
First, I have been with you for 36 good months. You take and take. Still the same situation.
Ophelia, I'm trying my best, and you know that.
Your best. You must not let this week.
Things were like this when we first met. I had a great job.
That one was in the past. Now you.
Wait, listen.
Don't just try. I mean, just don't try getting close.
Babe, I'm sorry. Babe, I'm sorry. Please, don't do this to me. I'm sorry. Please.
It's too late.
Sorry. Don't leave me alone. Please.
You sure?
Ophelia.
Oh, yeah. Hey, Ophelia, how are you?
Oh, I missed you. Benzi.
How are you doing?
Yeah, fine.
Oh, so where have you been?
I've been in Tama, but
Wow,
came around to search for a job.
A job? Why, what happened? A whole minister's wife like you look for a job?
I'm not married to any minister.
What happened to Michael?
We broke up 2 years ago.
Why, what happened? What happened? Talk to me.
He was broke. I needed something better.
Broke? Then I guess you've not heard of the news.
What news are you talking about?
He won the contract of the $6 billion US. Like it was a railway construction, I guess. And he has been appointed by the government as a minister. So I'm shocked of you talking of broke.
I needed something better. Needed someone who make me feel like a woman, someone who treats me well, someone who puts money in my pocket. You know.
It's a very big mistake.
Oh God.
Now Michael is a big man. Like,
I've been a God.
it's a very big mistake.
Need a favor.
Well, if it's only within my means, I can help.
Do you know where Michael's?
Michael moved. He moved to airport residential area, so he's no more in this vicinity.
Like, can you help me go and see? Might take me to him.
That would be very, very difficult, because of his position. You have to go through a set of security means before you meet him in person. So it will be very, very difficult.
Help me. I really need to see Michael. And you need to help me beg him. Found him.
Okay then I guess, let me see. Tomorrow will do. So early morning tomorrow by 7 a.m. meet me at the mall.
Thank you.
As I said. By 7 o'clock a.m. you should be there.
I will.
Okay. So let me drop you at the nearest bus stop so you can get a cab. Oh, Ophelia.
Bless you.
Ophelia.
You're looking very good.
Oh, it's by grace. Ah.
Boss,
Yeah.
there are two guys outside. Wanted to see you.
2 guys.
Yes, boss.
I wasn't expecting any guests. Did you ask of their names?
You, boss.
Okay, let them go.
Okay, boss.
Good day, honorable guest. Hey, good day, JD, my friend. Thank you. Okay, so what brings you here?
Okay, we actually came to see you now.
Okay.
Please, I'm very sorry for what I've caused you. I'm deeply sorry. That's why I came to apologize to you.
You betrayed me, destroyed my love and trust. I tried to undo.
I was really a fool with everything I did. Pain and everything, I'm sorry.
You hurt me so bad. Just because I couldn't afford anything.
I'm so sorry. The injuries.
So do you want to be my wife?
You.
So after 2 years, I was a deadbeat user, and now you want me as a husband.
Everything I've got.
Is it because of my money? I don't think I can take you back.
I was a fool. I made a mistake.
I don't want to be a bad person. So just pray to God that you have a man like me. Alright. Okay? I'll just give you an amount of 10,000 naira. You start something nice. Hey, take it. So you can go and then set up a business for yourself.
No one is.
Yeah.
Yes, you say a very big thank you. You have another minister. Thank you once again.
You're welcome, Tracy. I loved this girl. I loved this girl.
Boss, are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.